Open Connected Browsers with a Tutorial Safe Device row. The row shows the paired browser name, last use time, enabled database count, and extension version. These are the first checks before routing any SSO search. The update warning tells the user when full-text capture needs a newer extension package. The Revoke button is the emergency brake. It signs out that browser extension without deleting audit history. Expand enabled databases. AI4Meta only dispatches SSO searches to databases enabled for this browser, and the default checkboxes decide which browser is preferred when more than one device can handle the same database. Scroll to recent searches. This table is the accountability layer. It records the database, query, device, hits or error, cache status, and duration for commands dispatched through the extension. Use the database chips to isolate one source, such as Scopus. If the table shows session expired, CAPTCHA, rate limit, or offline, fix the browser session first instead of rerunning a large project search.